In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a customer in Zoho Books. More importantly, I'll also show you the recommended way to handle customers you no longer work with so you don't accidentally lose important financial records. If you manage invoices, sales, or client records in Zoho Books, keeping your customer list clean and organized is really important. Sometimes you may add a customer by mistake, create duplicates, or simply stop working with a client and want to remove them from your active list. The good news is, Zoho Books gives you a simple way to handle this. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process so you can do it in seconds. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Zoho Books tutorials and business software guides. Now, let's jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is open Zoho Books and log into your account. Once you're inside your Zoho Books dashboard, look over to the left side navigation menu. This is where you'll find all the main sections, like sales, purchases, banking, reports, and more. Since customers are part of your sales activity, the section we want is the sales area. Click on Sales in the left menu to expand the options. After that, click on Customers. This will open your full customer list, where Zoho Books stores all the clients you've created, along with their contact information, transaction history, and invoice records. From here, you can browse or search for the customer you want to remove or hide from your active list. Next, find the specific customer you want to delete or deactivate. You can scroll through the list, or if you have a lot of customers, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the person or company. Once you find the correct customer, click on their name. This will open the customer's profile page. Inside this page, you'll see details such as their email, billing address, outstanding invoices, and their full transaction history with your business. Before removing any customer, it's always a good idea to quickly review the profile to make sure you selected the right one, especially if you have customers with similar names. Now look toward the top right corner of the customer profile page. You'll see a button labeled More, which is represented by 3 dots. Click on this More button to open additional options related to that customer. A drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can perform. One of the options you'll see here is called Mark as Inactive. In most cases, this is the option you should use instead of permanently deleting a customer. Marking a customer as inactive simply hides them from your active customer list, but it keeps all their invoices, payments, and transaction history safely stored in your records. To continue, click on Mark as Inactive. As soon as you select this option, Zoho Books will remove that customer from your active list. This keeps your workspace cleaner while still preserving all historical financial data for accounting, reporting, and tax purposes. This is especially important because deleting customers that already have transactions can cause reporting issues in accounting systems. That's why most businesses prefer the inactive method instead of full deletion. And that's basically it. You've successfully removed a customer from your active list in Zoho Books by marking them as inactive. This keeps your customer database organized while preserving your financial records. If you ever need the customer again in the future, you can simply reactivate them from the inactive customers list. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Zoho Books tutorials, accounting tips, and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.